Hey there, today we're diving deep into the majestic world of the Himalayas. From their origins to their towering peaks, rivers, and glaciers, let's explore this awe-inspiring mountain range together. First things first, the origins. The Himalayas were formed around 50 million years ago by the collision of the Indian plate and the Eurasian plate. This tectonic activity created not just mountains, but some of the world's highest peaks, including the iconic Mount Everest and K2. This collision is still ongoing, causing the Himalayas to rise a few millimeters every year. Fascinating, right? Next, let's talk about the Trans-Himalayas. This region lies north of the Greater Himalayas and includes ranges like the Karakoram, Ladakh, and Zanskar. The Trans-Himalayas are known for their rugged terrain and stark beauty. They might not be as tall as the main Himalayan range, but they're equally captivating. Now, when we discuss the Indian Himalayas, we're talking about a vast stretch divided into three main parts: the Western Himalayas, the Central Himalayas, and the Eastern Himalayas. The Western Himalayas, home to Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand, feature lush valleys and vital rivers like the Indus and the Sutlej. The Central Himalayas, covering Nepal and parts of Uttarakhand, boast the highest peaks, such as Everest and Kanchenjunga. Finally, the Eastern Himalayas span Arunachal Pradesh and parts of Bhutan, covered in dense forests and rich biodiversity. Speaking of rivers, the Himalayas are the source of some of Asia's major rivers. The Ganges, Brahmaputra, and Yamuna all originate here, providing life to millions of people downstream. These rivers have carved out deep gorges and fertile plains, shaping the landscape and culture of the region. Glaciers are another defining feature of the Himalayas. Did you know the Siachen Glacier is the largest in the Karakoram range? These glaciers store vast amounts of fresh water and feed the rivers, playing a critical role in the hydrology of South Asia. And let's not forget the duns, elongated valleys like the Dehradun and Patli Dun, nestled between the Siwalik and Lesser Himalayas. These valleys are fertile and densely populated, adding another layer of diversity to the region. Some important places in the Himalayas are a must-visit for any geography buff. Leh Ladakh offers surreal landscapes and Buddhist monasteries. Manali and Shimla are popular for their scenic beauty and adventure sports. And of course, the spiritual town of Rishikesh, known as the yoga capital of the world, lies at the foothills of the Himalayas. So that's a quick tour of the Himalayas. From their ancient origins to their majestic peaks, rivers, and glaciers, the Himalayas are a testament to the dynamic forces of nature. Keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.